The tough news keeps coming for potential home buyers. The average rate on the 30-year fixed mortgage crossed over 5% today. It's the first time it's crossed above 5% since 2011, except for 2 days in 2018. Now, a year ago today, the average rate was 3.38%. KXAN's Taharat Rahman spoke to a real estate economist who says buying a home here in Austin will get a little less competitive, but it is still a seller's market.
Crazy.
Caitlin Floyd's Austin home was only on the market for 3 days.
We got a few offers before the open house, and we ended up not doing the open house because we just really liked the contract that we got.
That was $30,000 over the asking price, but Floyd says they lucked out on timing and could have been priced out from buying their new home in Kyle.
And the interest rate was 5%, and like a few weeks ago it was 3.7, and we were like, oh. So we had to lock in at a 90-day lock because we're like, we can't risk the interest rate going up anymore and we won't be able to afford it.
But the fastest paced mortgage increases in history are deterring other home buyers, according to real estate brokerage Redfin.
We're starting to see some early signs that demand is cooling, fewer searches for homes to buy, less tour activity.
Chief economist Daryl Fairweather says she expects price growth to slow down in Austin in a couple months, but it'll still be high.
It may go from 22% growth to 10% growth, which is still quite a lot.
She says that's because even if some buyers drop out of the market, others will be coming in.
Austin is a bit of a special market because there are so many people moving in from more expensive areas like San Francisco, Los Angeles, New York.
It's why Floyd says even though their house sold above listing, they still couldn't afford to stay in Austin.
And we're really grateful, but it's just sad what's going on in the market.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
We also spoke with the Texas Real Estate Research Center out of Texas A&M University, and based on their data, we should be seeing an increase in housing inventory for the rest of 2022. They say that should help alleviate supply struggles ever so slightly, but we're still nowhere near a balanced market. They say that's at 6.5 months of housing inventory. According to the Austin Board of Realtors, we currently only have 0.4 months of inventory.